Aloha. This is Trinidad, the Island Man, your Island Man, coming to you live once again from beautiful Hawaii here on the island of Oahu, bringing you, yes you, the best unboxing videos on the entire island of Oahu. And yes, this is an unboxing video today. I have not seen any movies, but I will tonight online and get you my review of said movie, by tomorrow. It's going to be for that movie Demon Slayer Infinity Train, I believe. It's one of the highest grossing films of 2020. It just came out last year, and I think it hit the United States sometime this year. If not, November or December of 2020, then sometime in January, I think. I'll try to hammer that down for you, the details specifically. But mainly, I didn't know anything about Demon Slayer, the show, but the entire first season, and I guess the only season, of the 23 episode arc of Demon Slayer just dropped on Netflix, I believe in January. So I've worked my way through it, and now I will go ahead and watch the movie. Because so often on a lot of these animes, especially the latest ones and the more popular ones nowadays, I haven't seen the anime. So I go into it cold, and it's like I have no idea who these guys are. That's how I did the Hero Academy one, the movie. I've never sat down and watched Hero Academy, the show. It looked good, and the movie was good, and I might eventually go back and watch Hero Academy, but I'm really not. I don't know. It was still a little too kidsy for me. I mean, it was good, the movie, and you could get the gist of who everybody was for the most part from the movie. But whenever you do that, you're missing details and backstories of the characters' relationships with one another. And with something like Demon Slayer, I think that's really essential. I'm sorry, I'm getting into, it was a very exciting anime series on Netflix, and I highly recommend that. And I'll let you know how the movie goes, and then I'll rate both, I guess, tomorrow after I watch the movie tonight. But this is the unboxing video, Nocking Point, as you can tell. This is the only regular item that I receive in the mail, other than sometimes what I order from Amazon. But as such, this is the coffee box for January. Yeah, so I did which actually came fairly early in February, or it might have been the last week. I think it was the first week of February. So I'll go ahead and do this unboxing here. With my subscription to Stephen Amell's Nocking Point, I get 2 bags of coffee and the free gift. So we will see what that free gift is, along with, what type of coffee this is. It should be dark roast for both, because I have gone to the website and I have changed which ones I wanted. I've been getting medium lately. I'm not a fan of the light roast. I need something with a little bit more kick. So, without further ado, let us see what this is. Oh, hey, all right. So once more, it is our 2 bags of coffee, and yes, they did get my change. I've changed back to medium, and I'm going to alternate it every month, because you can't choose like I want one dark and one medium, or one light. You got to get like 2 of the same kinds, unfortunately, or 3 of the same kinds if you have that higher subscription rate. But so 2 of the Nocking Point dark roasts, which are very good. Like I said, I'm going to be, waking up a little earlier, so I'm going to need some stronger kick. So I got the dark roast. And, I was kind of hoping I'd get another Nocking Point mug. Now, this is a metal mug, a camping mug, I think they call these. complete with lid, as you can see here. So yeah, so you can take your hot coffee with you on the road, drink it around your electronics without too much spillage. It is a sip cup, so the whole cup's not going to spill out, and hopefully you can catch it right away, but there's no stopper for the sippy cup. And just what I need, a winter hat. Here in, if I lived in Texas, this would be really handy about now. Shout out to Texas. And, the deep freeze, I guess. Well, if that happens here in Hawaii, we're going to be in the same boat as you Texas guys. So, but yes, so as you can tell, this is a nice Nocking Point stocking cap or winter hat. Totally useless here in Hawaii, but it's nice to have nevertheless. So that and our camping coffee cup, both with the Nocking Point logos on it. And this one just says Walla Walla Nocking Point Goods on it. Let's see what this says here in our little pamphlet. So overall, not a bad deal for $50. 2 bags of coffee, a camping mug, metallic mug, if you can hear that, and a wonderful hat, that'll definitely keep me warm at night if I need it. It says here, Happy New Year, Coffee Club members. We hope that everyone is staying safe and healthy out there. Our fingers are crossed that 2021 seems to be headed in the right direction. We are super excited for another year of bringing you some really great coffee. If you haven't done so already, make sure that you head to your profile and select your preferred coffee roast, which I did. I changed it from medium last time to dark, and I think I've already switched it back to medium, and I'll see how this dark tastes again. It's a little strong, which is good, but I think I prefer the medium, so I might stick with that for a while. We have also added, let me see here, individual bags of Nocking Point to the Nocking Point shop, so you can stock up on more coffee if you want. Okay, we've got 2 really cool items for you this month. And again, this was for January. The stainless steel, so this is stainless steel Nocking Point camping mug, which is the perfect accompaniment to your monthly delivery and your morning coffee. And we are throwing in the classic Nocking Point beanie. Oh, they call this a beanie. I don't know. This is a hat to me, Okay, these have been fan favorites for years now. And since the next few weeks, we are sure to see some chilly weather. We are here. Here it is to put on and end your cold ears. So, so wonderful. All right, so there we have it. Quick, down and dirty unboxing of the Nocking Point January coffee box. 2 bags of dark roast. The famous stainless steel coffee mug. And, a stocking cap. Complete with fuzzy ball on the top. Destined to keep my ears nice and warm. What's this made out of? I think it's polyester. Let me see here. Oh, 100% acrylic. Ooh, made in Korea. So it's good. All right, so there you have it. Again, I may not use the stocking cap or the hat, but I'll definitely use this. And now, I have 2 of these, so that makes a perfect, share some coffee over the campfire with. When I'm out there in the boonies. All right. Thank you so much. This is Trinidad, the Island Man, your Island Man, saying mahalo and, just showing you my unboxing of last month's January 2021's Nocking Point coffee box. All right. Thank you so much and aloha.